Hello, my name is Kelsey Surya, and this is my PowerPoint presentation on an image that best describes me from CWI 101. As you can see, the image I chose to describe myself was a brain with music floating all around it. The reason I chose this image is because music plays a major role in my life. It is something that keeps me well grounded, calm, patient, stress-free. I love playing my instruments. I love listening to music when I'm feeling down or blue, gosh, even happy. It's something that I can always turn to. When I was a young girl, I really wanted to be a rock and roll famous artist when I grew up. I even asked my mom for an electric guitar so I could play it like Jimi Hendrix with his tongue. And, well, it's easier said than done, but I gave it my best shot. Music is something that will always play a major role in my life and will be something I can turn to forever, and I'm very thankful to have it. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a great day.